What is up, guys? It's your boy Aaron from El Monaro, and welcome to the Nakamal. Today we're going to be drinking some Kava, like I do every day. So, I got my Kava here, right? A lot of places around the Pacific will drink processed dry root, but in Vanuatu, everyone drinks Kava. It's a really big part of our culture, and we drink it fresh, straight out of the ground. It gets harvested and sent to us, and we mince it up and juice it and turn it into this. And most people, if you go into the Kava bar, you'll go and take your shell with you, or they'll have shells, and you go and have a shell at a time at the Kava bar. That's how we do it. But if sometimes people want to take some home, you get what we call a plastic in Islama, or plastic bottle with Kava in it. Very straightforward. Yeah. Okay. Now, very important when you're drinking Kava, you gotta have wash your mouth, or a chaser, or something to get rid of the taste, because it tastes terrible. You gotta have something. I've got some leftover crispy pork from last night's dinner, so that'll do. Oh, this is fun. Okay. But before we do that, I've got a very special surprise for you. We got the goods right here. Very special surprise. What's in the bag? You gotta subscribe to find. Nah, I'm joking. We're gonna open it right now. Okay. I have brought to you. You will not see this anywhere else on YouTube. You might see it in low quality, but you will not see a Kava plant like this anywhere on YouTube. Let's get that in frame. All right. Check it out. So this is the Kava plant that we drink every night. Okay? There we go. I went and stole this from the bar to show you. Wonderful Kava plant. This one, I think it's about 4 years old. So with Kava, what happened is it's a clone, so it doesn't produce seeds. What we do is we take the branches. Once your Kava plant's ready, you cut the branches off, and then traditionally, you can put them in like a pot and mix seedlings and stuff. But traditionally, what we do is we dig a huge hole in the ground, and we throw all the roots into the hole, bury it all up, much like a grave. So we'll get into this in another video. It's a long story, but so we bury all the roots in the ground, and after a few weeks, these shoots will come popping out, these nodes here. So yeah, and I think they're all females. Yeah, might be wrong on that. I'll have to check. So anyway, there's the Kava plant that I've stolen from the bar for you. Have a look at. Very beautiful. Now, we drink a lot of this stuff here every day. Everyone, at every corner, there is a Kava bar. We drink a lot of Kava in Vanuatu, okay? And this is how it comes. You go to the Kava market, or you hit up your supplier on the islands, and they'll send this over from the bush. This one's pretty small. I've seen there's really big ones. If you leave it to grow for up to 10 years, it can be really big. It can go huge. So, without any further ado, let's drink some Kava. If you have any questions about Kava, just drop me a comment. I will reply easy. No one's watching this anyway, so of course I'm going to see a comment, right? So shake your Kava up. Got to explain everything to you guys. See, this is just normal for us. Shake your Kava up before you drink it, because it settles. Here we go. So here's what you do. I'm going to start with a 150. We call this a 150 because when you go to the bar, you pay 50 vatu, or 50 cents, for a scoop. So we got a big bucket up at the bar, and they'll scoop out a scoop for you for 50 vatu a scoop, and that'll be your Kava. So very important, your first shell should be the biggest shell, okay? So we start big, and then we go down small, and we go small. Okay, let's go. So full shell. That's pretty full. Now I'm drinking it inside here, which is kind of gross because it smells bad. Kava smells really gross. The smell sticks to things. and it's traditional to actually spit. So you'll see, if you ever visit and you see a lot of people drinking kava and spitting on the ground, it's normal here. I know, sorry, it might be a bit offensive. I'm not going to spit in this video, but just warning you, okay? It tastes terrible, so that's why we do that. Okay, malok. And they say the first shell is always the sweetest, because after your first shell you feel real chill, just feel like, you know, talking to people. The stories you tell after your first shell are always the best. They're always the best. And then you start getting quiet after about, once you've had like 5, 6, 7, you start, you know, hang your head down. You don't want to talk to anyone anymore. It gets hard to get up. And oh, there's so many things. I can make so many videos about this, so I'm just going to keep it simple. And I'll do another video about the effects of kava, how to drink kava, where to drink kava, who to drink kava with. And you can have a very unpleasant experience if you don't sort of respect the kava. They say you have to respect the kava. Okay, so I think I'll make another video about that. And please, if you guys have any questions about kava, drop a comment below, and I will answer all of them easily. There's so much to show you guys, so I'm going to keep it short for this video. Don't want to bore you guys. Peace out. Thank you for coming to the Nakamal. Before you go, we both have to have one last shell. So yeah, we shake it up because it settles. If you leave it to sit too long, you'll see it starts to settle, and you get some sediment over here, and that's really all the good stuff where all the lactones are at. So we shake it up to make sure it's all homogeneous, and then we drink. Maluk.